Okay, so now you'll need your printout. Print a thank you. I did Poshmark closet name, which is Style Craze. Now I'm gonna use the roller tape. Oh my goodness, I could not find the beginning of the tape. Rub as hard as you can and as long as you can so that the ink will stick to the tape. Then I'm going to get my timer and set my timer for 5 minutes. Leave it in the water for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to take a towel and dry it off. Just pat it, gently pat it. As you can see, I was trying to turn over my stickers so that they would not stick to the surface that I was working on. So make sure you flip it over to the non-sticky side. Then I grabbed a tissue paper and I grabbed an object just to show you how you can use the stickers to wrap with tissue paper. It's not my best wrapping, but I just wanted to show you how you can use these stickers. So once you're done wrapping your item, you just seal it down. You can seal it down with the stickers so that the tissue doesn't come apart. Your wrapping doesn't fall apart. You can use one or you can use several. I just used all the stickers just to give you an idea how it looks on the tissue paper. So not only can you use this on your wrapping, you can also use it on your box, on the boxes or packages that you use to wrap your Poshmark items. You don't just have to use it on the tissue paper. And all your customers can see your closet name and the thank you note instead of wasting money and buying stickers and thank you cards. This is a great way to package your items.